Buzz, 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 but doink.
Good morning. Today we're reading What's That Noise? Written by Mary Roennfeldt and illustrated by Robert Roennfeldt. It was very late, very dark, and very quiet. George heard a funny noise. He closed his book and listened carefully. He crept out of bed and put on his coat and slippers, listening all the time. He wondered whatever could be making such a funny noise. The light shone on green leaves. There was nothing there. George walked up and down the path, but there was nothing there. He checked the gate, but whatever had made the funny noise was not there. George looked and looked and looked. He couldn't see anything at all that would make such a funny noise. He switched off the torch and went back to bed. In the morning, George was very tired. He got ready for work with his eyes almost shut. George scratched his head and was puzzled all day by the funny noise in the night. The rest of the zoo knew. Did you? Please check out Rhymes and Reading on proudyTV. Click to subscribe.